Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off show recently added apps in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to personalization. Now scroll down and click on Start. Here you can see Show Recently Added Apps. You just have to turn off this button. So this is how you can turn off Show Recently Added Apps in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.